Reiner is Hajime Isayama's favorite character. Originally, Isayama's favorite character from his own series was Jean Hairstyle, but since developing Reiner drawn further, the Titan Shifter has taken Jean's place in their creator's heart. Hange's gender is ambiguous. Hange's gender is ambiguous. Annie's hairstyle is based on Avril Lavigne. Here's another example of Isayama taking inspiration from unexpected places. Apparently, Annie's hairstyle is based on a photograph of Canadian musician Avril Lavigne that was taken by the paparazzi. Eren has the highest Titan kill count. Eren's Titan form is based on a Japanese MMA fighter. Eren originally knew about his Titan form. Eren is the best at cleaning. Eren is the best at cleaning. Levi doesn't get drunk. Levi doesn't get drunk. Levi has an interesting ambition. There's more to Levi's life goals than just slaying Titans at one point. He apparently wanted to open up a tea shop. While that's extremely different from what he does now, it's actually not that hard to imagine. Would you drink his tea? Levi has insomnia. Levi suffers from insomnia and only sleeps about 2 or 3 hours a night as a result. It's unclear whether this is because of his intense job, his history of trauma, or just an issue that would happen no matter the circumstances. Either way, it definitely explains why he's so grouchy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.